How well do you understand the experience of your customers? Do you know exactly how long the process leading to conversion takes? Where do your customers feel frustrated or pleased? Where and why do they abandon your pages? A simple diagram can help you find the answers to all these questions. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UX Tweaks channel. Today we are talking about the Service Blueprint. What is it? How can it help you? And how can you create one? I'll introduce you to the benefits of service blueprinting and explain all the components a service blueprint must include on a real life example. But first, let's start with the definition. A service blueprint is a diagram that visualizes all the points of contact a customer has with a business in an organized and chronological way. It contains all the interactions, a customer seeing an advertisement or reading a blog on the company website, signing up for a trial version, purchasing online or in-store, interactions with technology, employees, or delivery, and more. Creating a service blueprint involves taking stock of a customer journey and matching it with the internal business processes that are necessary for the customer's journey to be possible. One service blueprint corresponds to one customer journey, so there will be several blueprints for one business. A service blueprint gives an organization a comprehensive overview of their internal processes with regard to the customer journey. With a good service blueprint diagram, you can easily identify areas that can be improved and processes that could be more efficient. It allows you to uncover issues such as long wait times between customer steps or requirements to enter data that were already entered in previous stages of the process. A service blueprint also facilitates cross-team collaboration in your company. It takes into account the bigger picture of the whole business process and not the partial roles of each department, allowing you to improve cross-team collaboration and smooth out the internal processes. So let's go over the components that every service blueprint should include. Here is an example of a simple blueprint that maps out the scenario of a restaurant guest ordering a meal. A service blueprint typically consists of boxes and arrows as we see here, signifying actions, interactions, and relations. The most important component of a service blueprint is, of course, the customer's actions. Here you can see them in gray. This is pretty straightforward. You simply map the customer's journey in time. Each individual action corresponds to one box. In the topmost row, we have physical evidence that the customer sees or uses while completing these actions. That means the tangible elements of the service, like the restaurant, tables, and chairs in our case, or things like mobile app design or visual advertisements. Next are the front stage actions. These are the actions of employees or technology that happen to make the customer's journey possible and are visible to the customer, hence the name front stage. These are actions such as the waiter greeting the customer, taking an order, and delivering a meal. Front stage actions don't have to be done only by employees like in our example, but also by technology the customer interacts with. It can be an application completing the customer's request or a self-service checkout machine asking you which payment method you prefer. The backstage actions are different because the customer isn't aware of them. These are the internal processes of a business that nevertheless are important for a smooth customer journey. It can be a system assigning waiters to tables and the cooks preparing the food. The last main component of a service blueprint is the service process. These are supporting actions and processes that must take place in order for everything above to happen. In our case, the acquisition of kitchen appliances and point of sale system. It can also be processes such as pricing, testing the usability of applications, delivering items from warehouse to store, and so on. As you see, all the components are organized in such a way that three lines can be defined. The line of interaction, which marks direct interactions between the customer and business. The line of visibility that separates what is visible to the customer and what is hidden. And the line of internal interactions that separates support actions and actions that do not directly support the customer. And that's what a service blueprint should look like. Often they are rather more elaborate than our example here, depending on the complexity of the process you are mapping out. If you want to see other examples and templates for service blueprints, check out our complete guide to service blueprinting. The link is in the description. To discover how your users interact with your digital product and create accurate customer journeys, UX Tweaks tools are here to help you. Just create a free account and try it today. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.